Hey everyone, Rachel here. Welcome back to Travels of a Single Lady. So I stayed in the Ibis Budget at Elstree and Borehamwood last night. Thought I'd give you a quick tour. Yesterday I had a really bad head. Hadn't taken any tablets. It was like a 2.5 hour drive up here. So I was in bed by 5:30 last night. So I'll do the room tour for you this morning. So first things first is the door. And as soon as you come in, this is what you see. So you've got the coming, I'm out, malarkey, and I think the other side is probably don't come in, I'm asleep. And then you've got this door here, which leads straight into the bathroom. The lighting's a bit questionable, but it's a budget hotel, what do you expect? So sink, they do include free bubbles for face, body and hair. So big mirror, sink, towels. I'm not entirely convinced the towels are big enough to do anything. Toilet. Shower. Shower looks quite nice actually. Proper glass door. Didn't use the shower, but it looks like it would have been nice. But there is also more bubbles in the shower. So back out of the bathroom. You've got big mirror, plug socket underneath the mirror, and not the greatest of lights above it. Let's be honest, not the greatest. So opposite the mirror, you've got the bedside table and the bed. Bed was okay. It's like a bed and then a mattress topper. Did it for the night. I had such a bad head I was sleeping regardless last night, so that was fine. There was no plug sockets by the bed. I did find that a bit odd. Most hotels have plug sockets by the bed. So TV in this room doesn't actually work. So I originally, when I checked in, was in the room next door in 303. I came in, dropped my stuff off, went for a wander to go and find some food, and there was a bit of a funky smell in there. When I came back, it hadn't gone, the windows were open, so I went down to reception and let them know, and they immediately moved me to the room next door, which was great. They resolved the issue straight away. This room doesn't smell. However, the TV doesn't work. Which is fine. I brought my laptop with me so I could just sit and watch Netflix while I fell asleep last night. So it was no biggie, but needs fixing. So then you've got obviously the bed, really poorly made this morning by myself. Then you've got this little sofa here. Like I said, no sockets in by the bed at all. Just these two over here. So yeah, you had the phone. It's just me charging my phone. And then you've got like this desk area here, and a chair that comes with it. So with the desk area, you've got tea and coffee. Yeah, literally tea and coffee. So when they moved me last night, they gave me a free voucher for a free drink in the bar, just as an apology, and water counted on that. So I got a big bottle of water. Then in this corner here is the like wardrobe area, I guess. There's a hairdryer, it's always good. You can have your laundry done, even better. Duvet, fabulous. View out the window. I mean, it's a main street. I don't know whether you can see it, but this flat across the road has got these cool little cows on their balcony. They're so cute. I've been staring at them repeatedly. So yeah, bog standard hotel room. I look out onto the main road. The window also doesn't shut in this room. This is as far in as I can pull it, which, I mean, it's fine. I like having the window open when I sleep. However, it was very, very noisy last night. In the hotel, no issue. The inside the hotel was really, really quiet. You could tell the noise was coming from outside, and it was, obviously I went to bed at 5:30, so yes, there was rush hour traffic. I don't begrudge that. I knew that was going to be noisy. All the noise after that, I think I woke up about 9ish, And it was police siren after police siren after police siren. And then it sounded like there was a helicopter going around repeatedly for a long time. And I heard all of it, which was a shame, but never mind. So, to sum up, it did what I wanted it to do. It was somewhere to rest my head for the night. It was fine. It was 59 quid. I mean, there are plenty of issues. There's lots of stuff that needs fixing in the room, but it's better than the one next door that stank of pee. So I can't really complain too much. But I hope you enjoyed this little tour of the room, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.